Interphase. Interphase is the longest part of the cycle.
Here, the cell is growing! It's making proteins necessary for the cell to function. Replication. During the phase of replication, the DNA unzips from the backbone, which is made up of phosphate and sugar. Then the free bases line up along the unzipped DNA. A always pairing with T, and G always pairing with C. Adenine always pairing with thymine, and guanine always pairing with cytosine. After that is done, the DNA molecule zips back together. Zip. The result, 2 identical copies of DNA.
Mitosis.
DNA is a double helix formed by base pairs attached to a sugar and phosphate backbone.
Early prophase.
The replicated chromosomes coil into X shapes. The nucleolus disappears and the nuclear membrane begins to break down. Spindle fibers begin to form and stretch across the cell from the centrioles, which migrated to the poles of the cell.
Late prophase.
Chromosomes attach to the spindle fiber at their centromeres. Then the nuclear membrane disappears.
Metaphase.
The spindle fibers pull the chromosomes to the equator of the cell in a line.
Anaphase.
The spindle fibers begin to shorten, pulling the sister chromatides apart towards the opposite ends of the cell.
I will remember you.
And now the sister chromatide is considered a chromosome.
Telophase.
One complete set of chromosomes is now at each end of the cell. Spindle fibers begin to disappear. A nuclear membrane forms around the chromosomes and a nucleolus appears. The result, the 2 nuclei in one cell are ready to divide.
Cytokinesis.
The nucleus separates into 2 identical cells, and the cell membrane pinches together to divide the cell's cytoplasm and organelles, and thus creating 2 cells. And thus teaching us about the cell and the importance of life, starting us on our journey like little butterflies, getting ready to spread their wings. Join me again next time.